Hello, Michael Tellinger here, and we're getting ready for the Dorking One Small Town workshop. She's getting the hall ready, and what an awesome hall it is. Just take a look at that. Beautifully laid out for us by the organizers here in Dorking. So we're just about ready to go and open the doors and start letting the people in. And I really look forward to an incredible event here. There's been so much excitement building up, especially also after our event in Lewis a few nights ago. That has brought even more people to this event here in Dorking. So here we are, laying the foundations for One Small Town England, One Small Town UK, One Small Town Great Britain. And I really look forward to seeing all the people in here. I've met some in the front already. Some have come from Europe, Germany. There are even two ladies that seem to be from Australia. So really interesting mix of people that have come to listen and to hear how we plan to launch One Small Town here in Great Britain, specifically in England, with our amazing ambassadors, Julia and Michael. So let's get the ball rolling. Till next time, or till a little bit later. Bye for now.